Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Nissan Juke and I will show you which fuse and which relay to check in case your rear window defroster is not working. This video will apply to Nissan Jukes made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Okay, now both the fuse and the relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, hidden just here behind the battery and under this plastic air hose. To access the fuses, first you have to remove these holes. To do that, first you want to just pop it out here and then do the same thing on the other side as well. So just kind of pull it up and then remove it from its place, and now you have full access to the fuse box. Okay, now to access the fuses, first you have to remove this cover, and both the fuse and the relay will be on the back side of the cover. Now this is kind of a Nissan thing, so it's a bit unusual, but that's just how it is. So first you have four these black tabs, two on this side, two on the other side. So just want to unclip it and lift it up. Okay. This is kind of tricky, but here it is. Here you have access to all the fuses, relays, and on top a small fuse diagram. Okay, and actually we'll have two fuses and one relay. You want to check these two fuses right here. Those are the fuses number F1 and F2, both are 15 amp, and just above them this is the relay number R8. Now the best way to test the relay is using the multimeter, and you can pull out the fuse and see if it's burnt out. If it is, just replace it with another 15 amp fuse. If everything is good here, then you'll have to do a bit deeper diagnostics and look towards the rear defroster switch, possible wiring issue or damaged heating element on the rear window. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.